zip la ikhona ningobani nemakhethi nasentshonalanga ngoba la kule bhili lakanongolozo sino 5 no 6 no 7 no 8 niphakamisa muphi
angihleki ngamashito manje zithi king iphonyola 7 bana
sejotshina layini man itshela nomuntu amagama ethu indaba
hayi ngihleki ngamla mina ngo-action umchesney
oh nifotsha ngelaka mtshokote lehlisirubu sase-Sun City ningoncima okubhala kacana omalale veve impatha ningo-1 man
nhleki mebrayas nisiphethe imeli ephuma ngaphandle la kubragib yabo uthe masikhonkotha nizosabela sure bragib
Obrakipsi?
Sure.
That is a fun man. What is a Samuel Chizili? Yes, 28. That's one more. Cho. Cho. Ngamla. Cho. Sefe. Matot. Listen, Chinese. Ningasborn this is the. Abo Capone and Abo Scarface. You are welcome in Gangster's Paradise. Chippy.
The South African prisons are notorious for gangs, overcrowding, and sexual abuse. About 30% of 160,000 inmates are in custody and awaiting trial. Today, we get deeper into knowing what goes down in the prisons and can you really be reformed after you've been in prison. Good evening, my name is Lethabole Joy Matato, and welcome to Talk to Me. Tonight, we have a special guest in our studio, and his name is Israel. Bautzibaka ma orange.
Yeah.
Welcome to our studio.
Thank you.
I'm actually excited to have you in the studio because you've changed your life so much from where you've been. As we are talking about prisons, Chachina Mamotla, a lot of people in the communities, they'll tell you that someone can't change. If they're from prison, that's basically who they become throughout the rest of their lives. But you've proven that is just a myth.
Yeah.
Rabuj, I think, Yamatoma, let's take it down to the day where you were told you are sentenced. What came into your mind the minute that you knew that?
Actually, after I was sentenced, that's the day I've changed.
Really?
Yes.
You didn't change inside?
No, I've changed immediately after I was sentenced because I realized that, some other things are not for other people. I realized that crime is not for me. I thought it was, but after I was sentenced, because I was sentenced alone, but we were 4 in a case. So I was accused number 1, and then accused number 2, he was the deceased, he passed away while we were attending the case. And then accused number 3, we were both found guilty, but accused number 4 was set free. But he was also arrested in the spot of the scene of crime in a stolen vehicle. But the magistrate let him go free. For which reason, we don't know. Okay, then that thing tell me that no, I'm not gonna do it again. Why? We're still together, but in the judgment is not fair. And then that was the day I changed my life. When I was going down, I was already changed. I was a changed man.
That's very powerful, actually. Mpoche, to actually be a criminal. Do you think the community or home, the way you were raised, led to that? Because out of nowhere, you just decided to take your own toll. The experience that led to you being the criminal at the end.
Besides the excuses that we always have, we're black, we were raised poor, I don't think the family has contributed for me to become a criminal. It was a personal decision. Yeah. I had a choice to be a good boy. I had a choice to do anything. So, but somehow there are other elements. Maybe they have contributed, because to grow without a father, I was raised by women. I grew up in a house that is being dominated by women. There was no uncle at home, there was no father. So I carry a responsibility of being a father, an uncle, a brother at the very early age. As you understand that I'm an apartheid-born child.
Yeah.
So being an apartheid-born child, we had a lot of challenges. We were deprived. We went to school, but we didn't have a purpose why we went to school. We went to school because we believe that a child belongs at the school. Things that we wanted to achieve, they are not at school. I've never learned art at school. I've never learned the format of art at school. I have to learn it by my own backyard, youth center, in church. But the poverty situation make somebody to commit crime. Because your neighbor is living a certain class of life, and you can see they have this and this and this, and you consider yourself, you have none. What are you going to do? You can't stay for that. And also I can say pressure, you know, the influence, the surrounding. Where I was born in Alexandra, when we were boys looking for role models, there were no role models, like good role models. Role models were gangsters. People who capture us when we're looking for role modeling or father figure are gangsters. People who've got cars, people who've got money, people who live a good life were criminals. They are the one who have sympathy to us as black kids. And then at the same time they groom you to be one of them. They prepare the next generation of their industry.
And obviously because they're taking care of you at that time, so life is like this. So that was basically a role model.
Yes, he was a role model. We were raised by gangsters. Me, I was raised by gangsters. Actually, I grew up under the influence of gangsters because people who were like good role models, they don't have the heart of gangsters. You know, they don't care about grooming. They don't care about taking care of other people. You find that it's only gangsters who are doing that, who care about lomntwana uya esikolweni angakeranga. After they've committed a crime, maybe they arrive with whatever they have, clothes, but then obviously you will regard them as role models. And then another maybe contribution, missing a father. If you ask, where is my father? Most of our parents as fathers, they've committed crime under the system of apartheid. Those smaller stories, sometimes so then you want to fill those shoes. You want to be like your father. Me, sometimes my father was a mafia like. So adopted the same history. And
all the mushimanyana o nagana o kare go ba monna go ra gore o swanetse o be le matla o re go tsena strateng batho ka moka ba phaphathela matsogo ba o tšhaba ba fe ditšhelete e bile taba e le gore o rile go e lebelela ya ba gore ke bophelo ba nnete.
Very good, because to be recognized as a real man in the wood, you must commit crime. You will earn respect. You must have a gun. You must go to prison. I remember after I was first arrested, I was 12. After that scenario, I was respected
You are somehow a hero.
You are a hero. So we've believed in that. As o tseba gore bana ba Gauteng ha ona thaba. Ba go magaeng a ke re ba isiwa komeng, where boys are taught to be men. So the Gautengers, the mountain is prison. Mapumejele uyingwenya uyi hero, following the history also yabo Mandela. Everyone who came from prison is a hero. Mandela came from prison, he became a president. Bo Mike Tyson, Bo Tupac, Bo 50 Cent. You know, if you're a gangster, you are a big thing. But also a political factor has contributed for me to commit a crime.
Let's hold it right there. We're going to come back. Patela Mabone. Mona kwenye saficha upilo. Talk to me Lena Letaboli Joy Lakmatato Sabagabo Renaliena Israel when Motsabakama Orange Romotsababo City television in Jare Naiko Mwe Waditswa can nete come on Africa Boroka Revelela Cadilo Chadi drama Lishing Chichi Loron Wadira if I saw Lishana Lerna Arbuchaka Pilo Baware Wotlishwang or Akonotena Garuba a criminal. And before the break you said something very important, and I want us to go back to it, where you are saying tabayadi politicians leona idirile gore leader ba bangwe ba go tshwana le wena ka ne bele ka lebaka la robelela kwa wena e go leadile gore ka nnete o bo influenced gore o ka gona go ya tronkong wa ba boya and go boya o boya e le gore ngwa tlhomphega o ba a hero. Can you just take us through that as well?
Yeah, a ke re ha re butsisa batswadi ba rona bonkgone ba rona gore gante wa rona re sokola re le batho ba bantsho. Now I was one of those child, I was asking questions when I was young, and I'm sensitive. I wanted answers. Why abelungu bana ma swimming pool bane imoto thina asina next siphila in hell? I-answer oyitholayo abelungu bathathile inkomo zabomkhulu bethu. So it came into our minds ukuthi we have to repossess. That's why our crime, Tina, we never stole from Mutomunzu. Yeah, sure. Now my crime negudza Mahoa strictly.
Straight up?
Yes, because Mahoa were the enemy. I'm
taking back what belongs to me. So basically that was the mentality you had.
So rehola kayona influence you. So baba ngakere bayaka by speeches and press. Runa we go by blood and iron. We cross the color line, we go to the fat white suburb. Robatswara, Relo, Shapadi housebreaking, Renkadi Koloi. Then we change the management of the car. We own those cars. Relonkadi TV, Refabatswadi Barona. Rehutwetsa Batswadi Barona. Haritadi di Kutsi Redisa Kontru. Koko Night TV. From Lamka Net TV 9. In. We want to change the line. But when Mandela came out from prison, it was a dream come true for me. I never believed a black man will be in power, become a president the way Rotsenkati. We've believed Lefatikila Mahua, Barula, everything. So when Mandela came out, I was in prison. 1994, when we voted for Mandela, I was in prison. And I went for hunger strike for the inmates to have a right to vote for the black president.
You started the hunger yes. strike. Did eventually did they give you an opportunity yes. to vote? Wow.
We won the battle. I was the last man standing. I was the last person to eat.
For how many days?
It never lasted for 2 days. It was a day, first meal. Actually, I did it for 1 day. Then the next morning, I was convinced to eat because the guy oneki pusha struggle lena kena o jileng pele at no arrange. So ka bona gore ai ngathi nyosala ngikwane la abantu sebayadla mina angidli nami ngiyadla, but we were considered. We voted. So I was a comrade when I was young. I was a marshal. I was a young lion under the leadership of SACP, South African Communist Party. King Winnie Mandela. Yeah, so we were forced to participate in politics. Whether you participated or not, you were affected. Tear gas exploded.
Everyone is affected.
Whether you are there or you are not there. So, 1986, consumer boycott, 6 days war in Alexandra. All the boys were forced to go to stadium and march and boycott and do everything. We were part of that. So Ronababang were more brave than the others. We went extra mile. Not only Relo Shapa slogan, chicken licking, Rona, we wanted to go deep. Yeah, if we had a chance, but we were very young.
Benong Butch, oboletso gore ge re vote ka eba vote le nna ntse ke sa vote kana go kana 1994 ge go votiwa le wena o khonne go vote o le ka president ke bona ditori tse dintsi tse le gore di bontšha bophelo ba president hizo there's so many tse le gore di bontšha bophelo ba president. Is it really what we see, what is happening, or is it worse or a bit less?
It's worse.
What is happening in our prisons?
In prisons, I remember first day when I entered prison. There's a difference between police station and prison.
Yeah.
Sun City, Johannesburg prison, it's prison. First day you enter, it's very dark. People are scary and they are very tough. And with the outside. They are very scary. And then there's a lot of rough activities that are happening. From court, Westgate Court, track, high floor, Iago Sun City, first load, tracking. If you are a newcomer, you are a victim, you have no choice. There's always guys who's going to rob you, who are there not attending the cases, but they are there to come and rob. And they're working together with the police. Banamela traka, batleko di court, batlo surveyor who's having money, again we're receiving parcel from our parents.
Yeah.
So, but not because I was raised by gangsters. I was taught about prison before I entered prison. And I knew I will go to prison because nekekanga. So I knew I will be arrested. So I was ready, I was prepared.
Do you think most criminals actually are prepared for prison?
Yeah, they are prepared because that's your home. A criminal lives in prison. 365 days. One day you'll be arrested. So it's your life, in and out. When you are young, it's all about that. That's the.
Because I did mention that there is sexual abuse. It's very rife in prison.
Yeah, it's very rough. You are forcibly involved in gangsterism. Baufa number, Big 526. What. Now I'm lucky. Let me put it that way. Now I was raised by a godfather, boss of all bosses. So we had a code where I grew up. If you are arrested and then you're gonna come back with a tattoo, we know you've been victimized. Then you lose your power as a man. Where I come from in Alexandra. As an Alexandrian, you have to stand and be a man. How can only sexually abused or on a tattoo, you are weak. Then, so that was my greatest fear.
You had to protect that dignity so that when you come back.
No maganjani. And then how to never be how busy? Kumula. Now I don't have any tattoo.
You don't?
No.
Even the ones that you maybe want.
Yeah, this is a fashion. No, because I understand deeper than they don't understand what is a tattoo, what does a tattoo mean. I wonder how a tattoo, how can I go reception, but the register to say when they admit you. if you will be found involved in a fight, you are guilty before you plead guilty.
Because of the tattoo?
And I told him to.
Yeah, it's permanent.
Usainile no devil. Usainile ukuthi from namhlanje vele wafa. So rona re gola re tseba gore stuka se dangerous. Ke stuka. Tseta nobody bitsa di tattoo. Ke stuka. Umsomi ba kenya na leti mo utswe madi. So I can't stand for that. So I rather die. Yeah, so I will never be sexually abused. I will never be a gangster in prison. And being a gangster in prison, it makes you usatwa because but offer a duty to perform, an evil duty. I got some number. Now me sambe kwazi siboshwa kuze I number imendlela zakho zikhuphuka. Ke nombolo. Ukenika 6 months. Ututhe cheese fela ku Pick n Pay. No, you fit or maybe you feel playing a wrong at the wrong time. Innocently accused. Unga number, MS, so sharp about 20 something.
Yeah.
But
you,
those are the activities.
Oh wait, you make it sound so easy. It was so easy for you in prison. How did you survive all those? Because I know very well, or they force you. It's not like Letabo, then Nakenyoko by a gangster. They force you, they actually select, or when you'll do this, how did you survive not being in a gang or being abused?
I've made an agreement first. This is what I'm not gonna do. Firstly, I was not in prison because I wanted to live in prison. And I wanted to belong in a number. I committed a crime. That is politically related. In prison, I was a freedom fighter. I fought for the rights of the others, the weak ones. So, not to say I was not attacked. Lena, there was temptation. I'm a light skin. So, I grew up handsome.
You still do look very handsome.
Yeah, so the handsome ones are the most dangerous ones.
That's what I thought.
If you can consider the most notorious gangsters in the history are the handsome ones. Go to prison now, you will see people that are handsome, extremely handsome. Ijele elabantu abahle. Umuntu omhle uhlala ejele. Because umuntu omhle une pride akafuna ukusebenza. Baso. That's why if you look at people that are successful, it's those who are not handsome.
Basho, my girl. Basho.
And those who are not beautiful. Keep on about driving the X5. So it's a reality example. I know from personal experience. I never wanted to work. I felt what the world owes me. I deserve anything that is beautiful. So, and it leads you to danger. So, because negnali fear, I get chaba spilling kiabona kota mina bayo ngenzi cherry straight. Vele I'm close to Ubucherry. First day I enter prison Sun City, kujule bakhweletsa bathi wangena uMiss Sun City. Ngathi ayabona manje hayi esivare kuyomela umuntu aqaqise ukuthi ngiyindoda or I'm something else emadodeni. So because I grew up with no father, no brother, no uncle. My aunts, my mother, they taught me to be a man at a very early age. Haki shapilo ko strateng na. I don't have anywhere to report. Haki boyela neba mfeleletsa.
Yeah.
Boyela. So I learned to fight. I grew up fighting. Very our generation was rough. In Komani, schooling in Komani, manje after school, I bamba I loom. Yes. So that thing grows you to be a man. So in prison, ibang atekile, but what I've realized is that every human being has fear. Even the gangsters themselves. Auna motosa tsagong khosha mo lefatsheng. Le mmolai wa tshabosho. Mo ntshetse sethunya o tla bona gore le yena wa tshabosho. Yena o bolang batho. So it's a human cycle. Ke chairs edladiwang. So maybe I've been a good actor before I discover. Ra actor mo lefatsheng. Uchilo William Shakespeare, a world is a stage. you choose a character that you want to play. Yeah. So what I've realized, the gangsters give one by actor by a tusela. Now I've got my skills as a tusela, which don't come close to me. That's why I've turned the prison life into filming and television. That's what I've seen. There's a lot of drama here. This is interesting. This is people they can watch. Labantu Lava, the way they speak, they've got their music, they've got their salutes. This thing is interesting. Wow. Because I've survived it. Let me talk about it. You know, this is how I've survived. I've realized that we are jailbirds. Prison is made for us. We're gonna live in prison until we die. We're gonna go out, in and out, wire. So, how am I going to survive this world? Let me take my curse and turn it into a blessing. Kotlo ekishapilwe nka yona. Aibe ntwe etla mpholosa. Let's say we've been punished. Let's say it's a family curse again. It's something that we can never overcome. It's a family curse. Basloyile ukuthi vele thina sifele jele. So siyo survive kanjani? Ngathi ithi ngiyiphile mina. Ngikhulume. Benefit. Yona lento le engiphanishile. Benefit. Then I wrote a play, I formed the groups, I mobilized the youth in prison. Then I became an instant hit immediately. But it took me a long time to discover that. After I've survived all the traumas, I was attacked, they wanted to sexually abuse me, I remember. I was told not to smoke somebody's cigarette or to take anything from a prisoner. But that day, I met somebody who offered me a cigarette, then I took it. But knowing what will be the consequences, I just wanted to test myself. Let us pay me. Yes, I was hungry. I took the bread. Yes. I always had jewelry. Then I took out my bracelet. I said to this guy, sell this bracelet, let's buy more smoke. Checkmate.
It is. It's an exchange of trade now.
So at night, some counter, I gave you a smoke. If you enjoyed it, Gary, it was nice. I gave you a bread, Gary, I gave you my bracelet. We sold it, we smoked it. Then we started fighting. And I was the youngest in the cell. In front of my accused, my friend said to me, no, do what they want you to do. God, no ways. You'll be the one who will be telling the world, this is what happens to me. I don't know, I don't want to know. Nobody owns the prison. We are all arrested here. Then Kai Sosa. How you are a threat because Utopazam assisting the gangsterism. Then I was sabotaged. But I've earned respect the following day. I was a boss immediately. Alexandra, a kind of like a she's. Trying to be a screw, kind of like a she's. Melu telu Uti, mang feeling very feel what you must. Pelamose Jerofan to feel it. So, ungasabu feel. So, that's how I've earned respect. Then I became a comrade. I have access for more exercise than the others. And then I had more food in the kitchen because I was a striker. How you are a threat. Understand? So yeah, now I was respected. I don't want to lie to you. Everyone who was with me, who's watching the TV right now, they will tell you about me. Pizza Malcolm X. I was a young man then in prison. Yeah, so okay, I was young. I started training. I grew up very thin, Wampona Kislender. So I trained myself, I grew myself. It's a boxing, I became tough. What Jimmy Wamuli? Sama tote in Pelalap. Melu Jimmy, then a chest, Ipari shining right, faint at the same time.
Yeah, that's the young Mandela in prison. Yes, he was. Ke Israel mona go nyesa fetsa pelo re tla bua re kwa gore go feta mo o dirileng e tse dingwe.
Casanova, into G8 government account ukuvela wena kudabuka magistring awudlala sex champion
KZN Andre Benegan Devon Mbangeni Njaga Scroofman Dichanchang
Ra go mogela gape go talk to me o tseba ga botse gore re na le yena ma orange tsamaila re yena njele the young Mandela ka go golegong ya le nna jo ke thomile o tlhompha ka level ka di levels ke di bona di ena melela benong o go tswa ga go tronkong gane jwale batho re a go lebelela ka moka gore wa tseba keng ba bantshi bile ba bana ba ile gore ba bolela ba nyaka go tswana le wena they really want to be like you they see you do your work your craft on TV daily and they're like that is so beautiful we want to do that how did you get ke tseba go thomile go tronko but how did you master the craft that you do now
I'm driven by passion actually I discovered that I never wanted to do what I'm doing when I was young because it never paid. I've realized people who are like me are very poor, very, very poor. And that was my problem. That's why I wanted to be a gangster because gangsters are rich. But philosophically, what I find, what you hate the most, what you don't want to do, is who you are. If you are born to sell the peanuts, coconing, don't be scared. Sakhala obang doctor. When you are an entrepreneur, you've got those genes. Go do it. Discipline is the necessity. I'm a very disciplined person. Self-discipline. Discipline doesn't mean be an angel or be a saint in the world. You draw the line in everything. I do almost things that other people are doing, but I draw the line. And I take my work very seriously, which is what other people doesn't do. Even though it's a small thing. Let's say ole panzola. It's a profession.
Yeah.
In the United States, they capture you School of Excellence. English maths we were forcefully to learn 7 subjects. Compulsory. The subjects is meeting our demands. So, but after I've discovered dedication, keep going. I knew there's challenges. I knew the challenges before I meet the challenges. I knew there's exploiters, there's vultures in the industry, but I know. I knew that. But Kingile Nombolo, Hotswalali or Ostukile, Ustukila from Namtlanje saying Babinkunzi, 26, Naming a Stukanga Pagating from Namtlanje, superstar. Whatever is Oyenzela. Whether Nzoropiwa, Nzoyuziwa, Nifeni Pua, Bangwabe, Dignity, it's fine. Nyas Nigela, Wafa. So I go all out in what I do, and I keep myself humble at the same time. Never look down to anybody. I hated when people underestimate me.
Yeah.
Mara, it builds me. Yeah, mina umuntu makanginyatsa undermine angithatha kancane ngiyakwata kakhulu. Maybe ngiyabheka ukuthi lo hlanyiswa ukuthi une Mercedes. Nami ngiyayifuna le Mercedes from lelo la. So
that's what makes you work hard.
So that doesn't respect. Angithi yamhlanyisa le Mercedes ubona ngathi yena is God. Nami I want the same thing. O lo hlanyiswa ukuthi ubaba ke doctor. Mina ngithi ama domestic worker. I one room. Or kubo yi 4 room. ngifuna indlu enkulu.
Yeah.
Oh, lo hlanyiswa ukuthi kuba kunestore. I need a shop. Understand ukuthi philosophy yenye powerful kanjani?
Very.
So that's how I grow myself. Sikhule sidelelwa. Abantu bangasicabangi ukuthi it's like we don't exist because of our poverty situation. So I wanted to prove a point in the world.
Yeah.
Ke batla bona di cheese boy, bana ba di doctor, bana ba di brigadier. Ngithi mina ngikhule ngilala phansi, ne? Wena ukhule soft. Mara ngeke ungiphane mina ngempilo into engiyenzayo. So that's how I've grown myself. You must have attitude, positive attitude. Usayinyatha. La batho ba unyatha. It's fine. But prove a point to them. Good to learn. You are in this world to live. I want to know more.
So felicete batho.
Baba phila utlo sheba na dikoloi ubani uhamba ngani. Unzo sheba ni number plate udifa mabitso.
Marosa di reili. Mafelelo.
Ke batla yaka. Azanka batla go phasela motho, a ke rapele motho. Yeah. I don't worship a human being. If you have things that they are yours, it's fine.
If they are berekela, mara na
Na le nna ke batla tsaka. Now I'm from a family that has none. There was no TV, no bicycle, no toys, no Christmas clothes, no jelly and custard, no nothing, no trip because kolong ha go ya di Durban a re runa. Le go gena o ba botse hore ba makala wa sekolo. Wa nga sekolo na ba ha.
Ba ile tripping.
You can't tell them because they can't afford.
You know there is no way but Wishan.
There's no way. I don't know jwang. The first day at Durban, I was selected because I was a clever child go school and I was the youngest. Next age of class. Wabona gore ngwana o unprivileged o achiever because ngwana o fiwang everything. The dreams are ga dia kwalega. So Osnang next is gonna strive to have them. I had a brother, my younger brother, and Tatakai was my stepfather. He's my half brother. Narata yenar nasanrati. Ameleta everything runasarelezi. No problem. I give mu hambi. It's a true story. No problem. Kabona ko mina ngumntwana lo okumele azenzele emhlabeni. I have nobody. My father is God. So uNkulunkulu uyayazi situation yami. That's why nekiutswa legally na. I used to pray to God. Namhlanje ngiyotshontsha uNkulunkulu. Ngicela ukuthola imoto iduma mangifika eJansmart or eRosebank. uNkulunkulu yazi angina choice. Kumele ngiphile kanjani ngenzeni? Ngiyodlana namhlanje. God protect me everywhere I go. Maybe that's why I've managed to come out from prison with the strength and become the person that I have. Because I had a reason to do anything that I did. Likontlung nakbabu utsa koko, I own a choice. Mina ngiyaspina mina koko.
They knew, but civil or
Neketla letso ngeti niyazifuna ora nisifuni.
Beno mpotemo ya kinyaka go tsena go yone we. But why the go boa? Ba di amogela what you giving them. And doesn't that encourage a criminal to go back again?
No, the abadi amogela. We force them gore ba di amogele. A gona mtswadi o batlang ngwana ga e gore a utswe. I was shouted every day. Mntwana mi azima sikubhekile sibona uteacher nje uphelele. My mentor is my grandmother. My grandmama told me about acting before I realized. He wished for me gore I must become an actor. I wish ungahlangana nabo Gibson Kent. My grandmama will say, go find scouts. Do you know what are scouts? Go find. After school, go do something. Go to church. I was forced to go to church. My grandmama was never a church goer. Maranang kapa, I ate a shower, otherwise I kiji Sunday. So now forced to do lo. Ke feel gore ke ntho tse right ya batlang ke di etse kuku ene ke a feel gore ke na le tsona mo mading mara a ke batli. I wanted a shortcut in life. But there comes a day when I was in prison, ka gopola mantswa ga ka ofela. Ka re no, let me make my parents proud now. Aksaba tlo utla mamaka I receive a phone call. Tshwantse I go police station a lo bonana le nna. O tseba tronko ka nna. No, se nkhathele. A ke batlo ba heta. I want them to be happy. Ke bone bo mme ba shapiwa ke di-stroke because of rona ba rata. Bona rona bana ba bashimane ra ratiwa gagolo, especially rona ba re kanga. Bo mme ba rona ba na di soft spot for rona. So I wanted to make them happy because I've hated them so much. It's really a changed man. I was watching a video, ke tswile ke na le cassette e ke recordileng in prison when I was performing. I was watching the cassette with my grandmother. My grandmother in Fanam, yeah, you change it. I believe you won't go back to prison. Prison is a bad place, but it was good for you. I give thanks to that place. Nakutwadala Izo, which was my first series.
Yeah.
And
let's talk about that.
She died after that, my grandmother.
Asiya when Izo.
Weibone.
Oh,
after Ibona, she rested. But she died happy.
Wow.
Rishebile Izo. Nekitsugile because ke a rogana mole.
Mama, ongishchekereke mama.
Kiba bo memo. Ha ke tlo tlhagella ke de seng zovela mali yo nkolonkolo wami. Angithukane batho go zobona lapha. But ke reality ba rogana nombolo eo. But I was approved.
How did you get to Izo?
Izo, I prophesied it. I told them what I'm the next Izo star. I was watching Izo 1 ko selling. Ngathi abangani bami abasha mangiphumana nabo.
You said that?
Yes.
And the people banalwena ka prison.
Bangkhanya bata kwejele lo.
No, but I believe that. I said a lot of things in my life where I said, I'm going to do this and people never believe.
Yes, you must believe how.
I said that.
Why we believe how Jesu ula yema moyeng ayema kodima metsi. Why we never believe how
yeah
gonna do that?
High five to that.
Agree Jesus Christ was born Lena. Why we believe in other people but we don't believe in ourselves?
Yeah.
Now I believe in myself. Before I can believe routine or in a Bible, the first belief, it's me. I'm myself God. I'm myself doctor. I'm myself healer. I respect, I know there's Almighty, but I'm the driver of my life. No kia studio, no recorder manja, angifuni kwazi, express alapho, no performer manja. No one will stop me to do that. So I had a belief, but my belief was practical because I already started the movement.
In prison, yes. When you were still in prison?
I started drama in prison.
Yeah, so you were doing drama in prison. Yes. Fast forward, we go out, we are out now, Izo. How did they know you? Because now,
yeah.
But it's not easy.
You attract what you want. Power of the soul.
Yo.
I attract what I want. I never say, hey, your actor was on. No. But I knew I'll be seen. They will come to me. You do the work will bring the fruit. I met a guy I was serving a sentence with. He's a politician guy. He's very good in writing proposal and everything. He was bringing funding in prison for soccer. I was a soccer player, but I quit soccer. Then Gargoyana, Kitoeta drama. Can you help me? Kiabona wenangaru utlisa mahoa motronkong, and now I'm angry because it seems like it's about soccer. Why don't you cater other activities? What about those who are not interested or those who can't kick a ball? Now I'm writing a script. I'm gonna open a drama, I'm gonna open a campus dance, Mapanzula. Can you help me? Then he said, no, my brother is a theater activist. Like Bombong in Ngema, I'm performing next week, invite him. I was performing at the female section, Kopitu, Kosan City. Then he came. As I was performing, he watched me, he liked me immediately. Then he said, no, I'm having a theater organization which is Victory Songoba, but now he's the late Mr. Bongani Linda. He's my first director. Then we worked together. He came to prison, we rehearsed together, a regular tracksuit, a regular cruiser, 18,000, Kabali office, Kabali storeroom. I had a shop in prison.
Wow.
I had funding. I was supposed to fly.
Impilo ya change.
Bekumele ngifly ngiboshiwe bathi no umhlolo ngeke uyenzeke lo. Isiboshwa se fly. Mara mina if I was head of prison, I was going to say yes because neko promote and do this is the real rehabilitation. Now Tsatsiki Shapa campus stands for Holland.
Yeah.
I was funded by Royal Netherlands Embassy through Mr. Bongani Linda. So when I came out 1999 on the 25th of October, my weekend visit, I was released 9 o'clock. 11 o'clock I was a director at the Junior called Victory Songnova Theatre Company. I was working with Mishak Mavuso, Skaleni, Mapondo, Ernest Mabaso, Suffocate, Mtotoze Mabaso, all those guys you see them on TV, we're coming from the same company. But Nakeba Choinileka Engel from prison. Then they were doing season 2. They wanted actors.
Yeah.
Then they came to our theatre organization because it was the most powerful theatre organization in the country. I've never met an organization like that one after that one. We've performed, we are called the Dogs of Art. So, I Sharpa play. I was performing my play, by the way, that I wrote.
Yeah.
Haigabi Makeng, I was playing Triple T. But there's a guy who has inspired me to write before I write. It's a book, it's a long story. So I was playing a lead. A Sharpa play in a part. My director didn't want me to go to Izo Izo. He told me straight in the eyes. He didn't want me to excel artistically. He was good, he was very powerful, he's a genius, but he sabotaged me. He was jealous.
It happens.
Yeah.
It happens.
It was 2 bulls in one kraal. Yeah, 2 sharks in one cage, in one ocean. So he stopped Boengas when they were looking for actors to come and see me. He didn't want them to come and see. Then I pray, Karumdimu, make a plan, they must see me, otherwise I'm going back to crime. I have only 2 talents. It's either I'm a star or I'm a thug.
Yeah.
One of the 2. So we had a project called Windy Bro Theatre, a prison project where youth comes, we educate them about prison with the information that I have. The idea. And then through my prayers, they came at Victory. I've performed, and then everybody was chosen. That was me. But I'm a full muntu ophume ejele. Buyele ejele wena. Hambe ufundisa amabhanti to actor. Into amagama bengitshelwa wona mina. Sengiphumile manje ngaphandle. And I thought I met a Messiah, a hero, like Jesus Christ. Gandhi, I met a thug who was disguised in the world of art. Angimkhulume kabi. Bayazi laba engikhuzuke nabo engithwase nabo. But he made me, he sharpened my career. I was not perfect. I was an amateur, though I had a passion, I was good, but he shaped my career. That's how he groomed me. He groomed me the hard way. Nebayabo Grahamstown, Banshee and Naksai, Kiba Chevelle, but I knew all the productions that were performing in the company. Na Nexat Samai, who were the oversee, Akit Samai, Kiba Chevelle. Then Kakuita, I've worked for 8 months, Kesa Holy. My work, I went to prison to teach the prisoners. Negiako Loko, Comedian P, Kotiedek. I had an access to go there under his leadership. It was a project. When I was supposed to be paid, I will never be paid, others will be paid.
8 months?
Yes. Kakuita Kabulayaka organization. Hakibulayaka, he stole my actors. Everything I did, he will come and steal.
So you basically used to work 20 times harder than what you would actually do.
Mina nyachala, magmila, bayeza bathatha fruits.
First.
And then I have to keep going. That's why I'm saying to the people who want to be like me, believe in who you are. But if you are a person like me, you are a threat, you must know that. I'm not a favorite, I know. They like you until you become a competition. They won't like you. Now, upstage. I want a sense of ownership, intellectual property. I want to own who I am, but we are deprived that. We have to do things, people must benefit. Rona, we must die poor, Rona. I must die, people must benefit through my music, people must benefit through my craft. Rona, we must die poor. But I live with that. I keep going. Loko kuncane ngikutholayo kulungile. Yabo. So kula ngiphuma khona ke mina. Kuze ningibone la ngikhona. Bebangafuni ukuthi iyenzeke lento. Mara ngafoster, ngazenzela ngoba angithi ngisayinile. Ukuthi angisabuyele emuva. You come, you steal my actors, it's fine. I'll groom the other ones. I groom people. I have a school of art. My intention of doing that school is to create a home for the kids to give them the privileges that I didn't receive, to protect them from exploitation, from other dangerous elements.
So, go tsheding o shetse boletse gore o na le school.
Ke na le sekolo.
Beno a re bolelele kae?
Album.
Yeah.
It's a second album. I've released the album 2006.
Yeah.
It went very well, but we didn't get the money. The middleman utshabile le tšhelete skip a country go London. Omonga sharper fraud within the company so that we don't get the money.
So this one?
So this
is
one
the latest one.
Is the latest one. GP Orange, Last Man Standing, King Fruitman Namune. It's a 15-track album. Yeah. Originally it was 25 because the CD can't carry all the tracks, we have to cut. Yeah. It's a very powerful album, this one. And it's a 7-work album. I've been doing this for 7 years. Kinze ki prepare, zeding di pina ki discretion, ki di kala mo fati, leang saifoni. Finally, I met Isaac Mangena. That's why there's a logo, Ice and Orange. Isaac is a guy maybe who spotted me with an eye of an eagle. Maybe we share the same sentiments. We don't know. I asipusha mfethu sahlanganisa yasafika la ifike khona iyole.
Yeah. Beno ngolatelang. Rena le 1 minute fela. Golatelang ka wena.
Kana. Ake batlo bua because batlo tsamaya ba ilolo ya ba jampe mollo. But don't tell your dreams, show them.
Oh yeah.
But there's many to come. But I'm scared to talk because I know I talk too much. That's my weak point. Other people are dangerous. When you talk, they listen attentively. And then they take what you're saying. They're going to do it and spoil the movement. So I'm not going to say what I'm going to do. Yeah. We are still alive. People will see what I'm going to do.
I always say protect your seed.
Yeah, no, sekili careful. Laksa bua fela, kia taba, haki bua digadi etali, batu ba minya, ba champa millo, ba etsa mihlolo.
Re ba ke putisha gore na ka nnete motho wa tswang go kgolegong a ka gona go fetoga mamotla o kwele ka ditsebe tsa gago tshepedi ka nnete wa kgonega e ka ba bophelo bo boswa netefatsa gore le wena o fetola bophelo ba gago seo se leng ka gare ga pelo ga go se go fishagalelang ka nnete o ka gona go se fitlhelela a re kopana gape le tšatšing la go sasa ke nna le Thabo le Joy la ga Mathato talk to me ke le gore re tswalela ga bjale motho ga bogala ile
Thank you.